So in this freeform tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add lines here on freeform. So the first thing you have to do is open up freeform. Once that is done, either go ahead and select a new board or select a board that you've already created. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to use the Untitled 5 board as this demonstration document. So once that is done and you want to add lines here on freeform, it's super simple. Simply just go to the bottom bar right here to where there's 5 different icons. Right in the middle, there is a square and a circle. Press on the shapes right here. As of right now, it says basic right here, but as you can tell right above, the first line in black, there actually are a bunch of lines. So you can go ahead and press a straight line right here, make it as tall or as short as you want. You can go ahead and add a pointed line or like an arrow, for instance, if you want to go ahead and do that. Or what you can do is select a line that you can bend multiple places. So you can go ahead and get creative, kind of do whatever you have to do this way, and you can just kind of play around with that, whatever you have to do. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to add lines to a board here on freeform. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.